Welcome. In front of me I have Apple TV 4K, and today I will show you how you can check your remote control serial number. So you can make it in the two ways. The first one, you can just take a look on your remote control. Let me just use the flashlight because it's too dark here. Okay, so when you take a look a little bit closer, you can spot this serial number right here in this place. But also we can check it by going to the settings, go for the remotes and the devices, scroll down to the remote, and here we got the serial number of our remote control in this place. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.